Otieno. Kawachako ni migao mar thieth kod bad migao mar SHA owinjore ni osuptende korok dhi juogo jotije sirkal omenda ching e sama gidhi yudo thieth. Wach mosebedo kakelo tungni e kind jopuonj kod SHA. Kaka Jopuonj Barcelona lero, ma en achiel kuom winjruoge ma oketi odhiambo ma kawuono e kind jatend migao mar thieth Aden Duale gi jokanyo mamoko.
Tok ywak ma jopuonj ma Kuppet osebedo ka ywago e wi okumba mar thieth mar SHA, gikone winjruok ochopi e wi weche mopogore magisebedo ka giywago e wi SHA moting'o thieth e pinje maoko kaluwore kod romo mar jokanyo kod migao mar thieth kod SHA.
That there have been about 160 teachers who have not received their last expense. An assurance is being given and has been given that by Wednesday, and good luck, same Wednesday we shall be in some place with SHA team. So we shall be able to oversight the performance of SHA. So by Wednesday, all the last expenses should be paid. These are monies that go to our teachers who passed on. This is very, very important and dear and emotive. And we have further agreed that even moving forward, last expense Waziri will be paid in 48 hours. Yes. After we do this, the 160, any other last expenses will be paid in 48 hours.
Winjruok koro oketi ni osiptende koro ok bi juogo jotije sirkal pesa aching e sama gidhi yudo thieth.
The Ministry of Health and SHA, and in order to elevate the immediate friction at the point of care, SHA will immediately withdraw the tariff locking currently configured in our system by midnight or early morning tomorrow. And this interim period, which is 1 month, will give us, following the withdrawal of the lock tariff, will give the social authority and all healthcare facilities offering the Public Officers Medical Scheme Fund service to strictly prohibit from charging any civil servant or public officer any out-of-pocket fees.
Jagoro mar Kuppet Akelo Misori orwako winjruok moketi kokwayo jokanyo mage mondo okonye twak mabiro dhi nyime. Wach mosir kod jakom mar Kuppet.
We only extend our appeal to our members that the issues that have affected their cover, those issues are being addressed. What is now remaining is basically to have very concerted approach to sensitize everyone and all the users on the benefit structure and how they should also be vigilant on those exploitative health facilities which are out to make the service fail.
On 28th, specifically gotten 28th and 29th, at a place which we shall be informed by SHA and Leadership of Health, we shall have a meeting of all the National Governing Council members. This means that every secretary from our sector shall be there. We want you to prepare adequately. Meanwhile, let the teachers start giving you info about what require of SHA, so that you carry all that materials on Wednesday to this workshop, so that we can sit together with SHA and all the operatives in this area to actually shape it into what we want. Very, very important.
Winjruok moketi kawuono oyang kaka okang' mokwongo mar bero chenro mar okumba thieth mar SHA tok ywak ma jopuonj osegolo kuom kinde ma bende ne gibuogo dhi e ng'anyo. Jopuonj Barcelona, Ramogi TV.